Shout out to Heritage1933. This is a sponsored video. Shout out to Heritage1933. Shout out. I've never used clip-ins before, y'all. Howdy, y'all. So y'all probably wonder why I'm sitting here with this lopsided action like it. Today I'm gonna be installing clip-in extensions. Oh, I done came up. I be hungry. Oh boy. Drumstick right now. All right, y'all. So what I've done already is I put in my water to wet my hair, my leave-in conditioner, and I also put in my styler. And then I twisted it up, wrapped it around with a clip, put it underneath this cap so that I could keep the hydration and the moisture sealed in. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looked like when I install these clip-ins.
So to avoid copyright, parts of this video is muted out, y'all. It was like 12 o'clock in the morning. I was watching a movie and trying to stay awake. Yeah.
If you can see it, y'all, you have to actually open it and open it. All right, y'all, this is, I don't know, attempt number 82. Huh? I'm a spicy meatball. Y'all, look at how long that joint is. Ooh, Blockanda forever. So that I can apply it again on this section, subsection to section. Oh, and there goes the John Brown AC, y'all. Coming in here trying to wreck my fluid. I do not have to make these twists so tiny, but I really want this hair dry within the next 24 hours. It's like midnight right now. So not by this time tomorrow. I really don't want it to be, what is it? What's today? Well, technically, since it's midnight, it's the next day, so it's Wednesday. I'm still twisting, still twisting, still twisting, still twisting. Okay. Mago, see, oh, sha, oh. Boom, ticka, boom, ticka, boom, ticka, boom, ticka, boom, ticka. Oh, child, listen. Listen, no. Let my hair. Child, let me turn around so that y'all can see the. Well, hello there. Scorpio. And I like snacks. And this is actually pretty easy once you get it installed. So here we go, y'all. Because I know the sound ain't up right now. I think it takes about 12 to 14 seconds before the sound actually picks up. In the meantime, I'm gonna pop me some fruities. Oh, we at 18 seconds. So that means y'all can hear me. And y'all could have been heard me. You ain't gonna say nothing. That's foul, y'all. So y'all can get a good feel of what the goings on is. And of course, I'm gonna zoom in. Hopefully that looks better. That way y'all can see I didn't part with no parting tool. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this last clip-in piece in the back. Now, I don't feel like I need to get the big wide boy. I think I need this boy right here. Boy! I feel it. Okay, that's the one. And hang on, I hope y'all can see that. Between my real hair and where I'm gonna put the clip in. Because I don't want nobody to see this. You know, I want to say, hey girl, what's that in your hair? Oh, nothing, you know, little clip. Kind of raggedy. Want to make sure I do this twist out justice and do right by these clip-ins. Kind of want to lay that out to give it like a more naturalized feel. Ooh, be careful. Okay, let me get the piece I'm gonna leave out so that it looks more naturalized when I twist it toward the front. Ski. Okay, ski. About that much. Okay, this actually feels like the right size now. Okay. Yep, I'm glad I put that clip in there to put my hair down like that. Cause at first I couldn't tell if this was the right size. Well, boom. If you see it, look, it looks like it's my hair. But down here, it doesn't. The groove didn't consume the hair down there. So we're gonna have to go back in and rework that piece out. I think it's coming along pretty nicely. People who smack. People who smack, y'all. Y'all know anybody who smacks? Smack them back, okay?
So thank y'all for still sticking around with me. Just so that y'all know what I did to my own hair, I had pre-pooed it, shampooed it, deep conditioned it, put on my leave-in conditioner and my styler. Then what I did is I cleaned the clip-ins with a co-wash, and once I put each clip-in in my hair, I also put the styler back on top of it. I didn't want the clip-ins to be weighed down with too much product, so I did not feel it necessary to add the leave-in conditioner on top of that as well. Ooh, back in, y'all.
All right, y'all, we is all done, and I'm gonna show y'all what I did real quick. Remember I told y'all that piece that y'all saw, it was like just sticking out, it was too prominent. So I did just unclip it, gently lifted it, move it back just a little bit, and then pinned it right back here. And then I took my hair and just kind of, just did my little finger like that. That way, like I said, it just looks more naturalized. Just in case when I go into work in the morning, if it ain't dry, people will see my roots and not, you know, clip-in roots. So it's important that you leave a little bit in the front out. Twist some things. And then that's how, it's so long. It's so long, y'all. It's 18 inches. It's got good movement. Real good movement. And then I just wanted y'all to see the top and the crown and the back that way. And hopefully, like I said, hopefully I did a good job covering up the clip-in with my actual hair itself. And yeah. All right, y'all, so that is going to do it for this video. As always, I do thank y'all for stopping by and seeing about little old me. If you like what you see here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I hope that your today is better than your yesterday. Bye, y'all.